Hi, welcome to tech.hnc. In today's episode, we are going to see the top 5 tips that make your Windows 10 run faster without any additional softwares or tools. Follow these 5 tips once a week to maintain the performance. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for latest updates. 5. Check updates regularly. In Windows 10, it will automatically updates all system drivers and software. To check, click Windows icon, Settings, click Update and Security. Here you can check if your system is up to date or not. At times, due to bad internet connection, it may fail to update properly. This corrupts some system files. So, it's necessary to check updates regularly. Click on Check Now button, and wait for few seconds. If it show any updates, click on Update and Install. 4. Clear temp files regularly. Clearing the temporary memory will give some more space for your work file. Especially, if you are a graphic designer or editor. Clear temp files often to work tension-free. To do it, press Windows +R, type the following, and press Enter. Delete all temporary files listed. Some files might be in use, skip those files. 3. Check startup programs. You might use lot of software. Not every software you use need to be started when you switch on your PC. To disable the startup programs, right-click on Taskbar. Click Task Manager. Click on Startup. Here it shows all startup programs. As you can see, I disabled most of the startup programs. It usually eats lot of memory space during startup. Just disable the unwanted programs and close. Note: don't disable any system programs like audio, video graphics that are linked with Windows driver. 2. Check newly installed programs. Sometimes, while using web browser or installing any third-party applications, it may add on some of the adware application along with it. To check it, type Control Panel in search. Click on Control Panel. Make sure you are viewed by category mode. Click Uninstall Programs. Click and sort, date-wise. Now it shows latest installed applications. If you find any unwanted application, just uninstall it. 1. Disk Check and Defragment. This is the most useful tool that Windows has from the beginning. It repairs the disk files and reallocate the files in particular order. You can feel the difference when you access large files from the disk. To do it, click this PC. Right-click the partition. Click Properties, and choose Tools. Here you can see 2 options. Check, Optimize. Just run both. First, click on Check. Click Scan Drive. It usually takes some time. It checks the file system and ensures all are okay. Then click Optimize. Choose Drive, and click Optimize. Wait until it completes. As mentioned earlier, just follow these 5 tips. And a bonus tip, if you are still using old hard disk drives, it is highly recommended to upgrade it to SSD drive for smooth performance and a faster response ratio. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more videos related to tech. Don't forget to like the video. If you have any cool tips, let us know in the comments below.